All right, welcome back to Morning Live, Thursday morning, and we're at Oktoberfest. Yay! And we've got the food, we've got the libation, and we've got Chef D.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Yay! His
Hey,
home
welcome.
turf. Thank you, thank you.
It's great to have you guys in my home turf, and great to be part of Oktoberfest, which is, I've grown up with it, and for a very long time, and this is going to be a really cool Oktoberfest meal.
Okay.
What do you do? How busy are you during Oktoberfest?
We're busy,
because there's just so many events happening all around town.
Tomorrow, right behind us, just up the block there, we're going to be making 1,500 sausages for the opening ceremonies and that. So
How many schnitzels are you making in the next 5 minutes?
We're going to make 3 schnitzels in the next 5 minutes. Okay.
All right.
So,
what are we doing?
Okay. So first we got onions, sauerkraut, and garlic in here.
Like the smell. How good does that smell, Brian?
So we're going to add the potatoes. Now what I've done is I've steamed the potatoes off so that they'll cook really quickly for us. Okay. Right. So in they go.
So like all the traditional stuff, yeah. You got schnitzel, you got the bratwurst. And
100%. And then there's strudel, braised cabbage, like red cabbage. And the great thing is now we're in that season of all these great vegetables coming in, and it's fantastic.
The timing works out perfectly with Thanksgiving.
For to make a schnitzel, so what we're going to do is we're going to take it. I'm going to switch tongs. We're going to take our schnitzel, and this is just a piece of pork loin, and we've hammered it out.
So it goes in the flour first?
Then the egg.
Right.
Gets the wash?
And then, now you can use any kind of breadcrumbs you like. These are panko crumbs. I like the panko crumbs. They're just a little bit lighter. Or you could use, you can get some great sourdough bread.
Does the panko even get more of a little crisp to it
100%,
rather than just a regular breadcrumb?
And then I always like using a Dutch oven or something just a little bit bigger, safer, to put our schnitzel in. I'll do 2 pieces of schnitzel. Oh, sorry, I did this wrong. See, I was out late with Tim last night.
Blame it on Tim. Blame it on Tim. Yeah. He made everybody stay out late. Yeah.
I'll never be asked on again.
I love it. That's why we have you on, because it's such a good time.
You just never know what happens.
Right. So anyways, and then this is going to go in for about 3 to 5 minutes, and don't forget, pork can be 140 degrees internal temperature, that little bit of pink, so it doesn't dry out,
Because that's the worry.
Yeah, 100%.
Drying these out.
So I'm just going to give it a little stir here.
Okay.
And
Look at you getting fancy, Chef.
Stand back. Oh, look at that.
And then
nicely
You want
browned.
a little crisp on there?
Yeah, a little crisp on there, and then just a little bit of salt and pepper.
The thing too is you can probably cook the heck out of these, right?
No, right, 100%.
Right.
Yeah, 100%. And the great thing is, you're using leftovers. You could have a big dinner and make your potatoes the day before, and then just put it together. You have your friends over, you have a cold beverage in your hand, and away you go.
Okay, sure thing.
Really?
I'm just following Chefy's rules.
He said so.
So anyway, we're almost done here. I'm going to get you guys to try that. I'm going to cut a little piece of
Now,
this
do
off.
we put anything on the schnitzel?
So we're going to put a little bit of sauerkraut with it, and this is authentic German sauerkraut from Germany.
What is sauerkraut?
Okay, fermented cabbage.
Oh.
That's what it is. It's fermented cabbage. It's really good for you, and it also helps your stomach enzymes and that. So, Brian, give that away.
Okay, all right.
A little piece there.
Thank you. Oh, it's hot. A little piece here.
So
nice. Ooh, I'm spilling already. I'm a spiller.
Good.
How good is that?
Oh, man.
And then our potatoes done. Now you got your nicely caramelized onions. You got a little bit of
That's so nice.
brown.
You put this on a bun too?
Yes. Oh yeah, 100% you can.
can
You
put
get
it
a
in a
nice
bun?
Kaiser bun. You put it with a, and then you take the sauerkraut. You fry it in with the caramelized onions. And put that. You have a perfect sandwich.
That is fantastic.
Wow.
Put a little bit of our,
Wash it down with a little
100%. Little something there.
Okay, so tomorrow you're
Yes.
cooking how many sausages again?
Between 1,200 and 1,500 sausages. Just up the road right there, right by City Hall. They're going to be the keg tapping there. Get it kind of the start of Oktoberfest, and it's so great to be back.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I know we say that all the time, but it's truly, how how much I love being out in the public, and and it's just going to be a lot of fun.
The public loves you, as they said in your out last night. They're like, Chef D, kiss my baby! Kiss my baby! It's like, oh, goodness. Okay.